Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've always had golden brown hair my entire life. From my 20s to now 30s. It had been around 10 years of me rocking gold hair. And while that is my comfort zone color, I have been wanting to experiment with my hair color since a while now. I've had the idea of going red for a bit and even have a few inspo photos on my phone to help me get motivated. I have truly been a fan of the Garnier at home hair colors. They help me maintain my hair color at the comfort of my own home and saves me a ton of money from getting my hair done at the salon every time. I like to touch up my hair once every 2 months, and for my brown tones, I loved using the Garnier Light Golden Blonde shade. I have used this box dye so many times to do my hair now that I absolutely trust Garnier whenever I want a hair makeover, which is why I was so excited when I saw their red shade and decided to give it a try because now I'm extremely comfortable with Garnier hair colors and they always give me such a banging result. In fact, I have previously created a hair transformation video with the Garnier 7.3 shade, so I'm going to link it somewhere for you guys. Please go and watch it. Today I'm going to be using the Garnier 7.65 Raspberry Red shade to give myself a hair transformation for the upcoming festive season. This kit is so self-sufficient and absolutely perfect for you, especially if you're a beginner. Trust me, nobody will be able to tell that you didn't get your hair done at the salon. It is truly not as difficult as you may assume. I went from this to this in just a matter of 30 minutes. Whenever we're thinking about getting a hair color, the first thought is usually to go to a professional, but the cost really adds up and it takes so long. Once you understand how to do this yourself, you will love having this much control. So there are some pointers you should keep in mind before selecting the perfect hair color for yourself. The first thing to keep in mind is choosing the right hair color. And the second most important thing is getting the right product. Of course, the third being doing a good job with the application process. You can get a fabulous hair color without damaging your hair and you'll get great results at a pocket-friendly price. Starting with finding the correct shade for yourself, which, let's be honest, is the most crucial step. While there might be many other ways to do it, my favorite way is the Garnier Virtual Try-On tool. You can find this innovative tool on Garnier's website and try on as many colors as you would like virtually to find the perfect shade that matches you at the convenience of your own home for free. In my opinion, the virtual try-on tool is revolutionary. All you have to do is stand in front of a white wall, use a clean, filter-free picture with your face and hair clearly visible. But you can also do a live try-on, and I always end up using the live try-on because I love it so much and it's so much fun to use. You want to make sure to do this in a well-lit space to get the best results. This tool is so helpful, you definitely want to check it out. I always get my perfect shade after using this tool. It makes choosing a hair color for yourself so easy, fast and fun. Now choosing the right product is extremely easy for me now because Garnier hair colors contain nourishing oils that do not damage the hair and in fact makes them look shiny. This hair color gives a visible, vibrant color payoff even on dark hair. I do not enjoy bleaching my hair, so this is the perfect hair color for me. It lasts up to 10 weeks. That means no touch-ups and I don't have to color my hair too often. To prep your hair for the hair color, don't start out with completely fresh and clean hair. You want to have a few of your natural oils, so ideally 1 or 2 days after your hair wash. Please do a patch test at least 24 hours before the application process to make sure there are no reactions. Always use non-metallic dyeing tools, avoid any metal clips and remove all jewelry. You can also apply some petroleum jelly along the hairline to protect from staining. And if you want to cut your hair, I do recommend you do that before you color your hair. Now I'll show you a little bit of the hair coloring and application process. This box contains all the essential products required for hair coloring. So inside the Garnier Color Naturals box, you will get the colorant cream, the Developer Milk, hair conditioning sachet and gloves. You want to mix equal parts of the colorant cream with the Developer Milk in a non-metallic bowl and make sure to mix it well. I divide my hair into 4 sections. I like to pick up little sections of my hair, deposit the color with the brush and then just make sure I spread it evenly. Once all of the color is thoroughly applied, I'm going to leave this on for 30 minutes. And rinse it off till the water runs clear. Now once you're done coloring your hair, do not wash it for the next 1 to 2 days to let the color fully develop and the color pigment to get properly absorbed into the hair. If you have extremely oily hair, you can use a little dry shampoo to refresh them. DIY hair coloring can truly amp up your whole look at home. I would highly recommend Garnier Color Naturals as it's not only good and nourishing for your hair, but also the price is unbelievable at just 249 rupees. This is a great option, especially if you're a beginner. So did you like my hair transformation? How do you think red hair looks on me? Please tell me your thoughts in the comments down below. I'm so excited to know. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you super soon in my next one. Mwah. Bye.